Hey besties, welcome to another video where I'll be showing you how I made this wonderful beautiful dress that I wore to a wedding reception. I know it's giving yes, and I want to teach you how to make this as well. So this is going to be the cutting video, so watch to the end if you want to learn. Like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Now let's dive in. So for this dress I made use of a Mikado material 3 yards. So first thing I'm going to do is to show you how I cut this dress. Okay, no pattern needed, just cut straight on onto your fabric. So from 5.5, okay, not from 1, 5.5, I marked in my bust breast point on the bust and then my half length. So to your breast point and your underbust and half length, make sure you add extra half inches to it. Okay, and then from that 5.5 I went down by 8.5 inches, which will be regarded as the armhole for now. So my bust and my waist measurements, I divided them by 4 and added extra 4 inches to them. Now mark that out and then connect them together. Okay, next thing I'm going to do right now is just to go ahead and cut. And this today's shout out goes to Joy De Flow. Thank you for being a part of this family. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and being active. I love you and I love you so much. It's so nice to have you here, and you are the best of your kind. Thank you so much. I love you. And now after cutting that out, I'm going to be using this to cut the back part. Okay. So for the back part, fold your material and then place the front one on it. Zip allowance of 1.5 inch. Okay, and then go ahead and cut that out like you see me doing right now. Now let's work on the back area first of all. So for the back area, place your tape on 5.5 and then mark 9 inches. From that 9 inches I went in by 5 inches, and then from upper part I went down to 11 inches, which is going to be the last trimming for the armhole of this dress, or for the back part, all the same, right? Hope you understand what I'm saying. I hope you do. So go ahead and then cut that out. Give the notches where necessary, which is at the zipper allowance, upper part of it, and then the down part of it. Okay, if you have any questions, do what to ask me, and I will gladly answer all of your questions in the comment section. And now for the front area, you know your breast to breast measurement, right? That minus 1 inch and then get the upper part. So mine is 4.5 minus 1, 3.5. My breast point is 4.5, on the bust 3.5, and then my half length at 3.5. I want to connect that all together, right? And then I'm going to be taking out 2 inches from the upper part and then the on the bust and the half length area as well. Watch what I'm doing carefully so you can learn. Remember, we are not cutting out any pattern, we're cutting straight onto the fabric that we are using for this dress, right? So you have to be careful not to make any mistakes, and trust me, follow everything that I tell you, you will get it just straight up the first time. Okay, and now after that is done, go ahead and cut it out like I'm doing right now. All right, be careful so you do not cut on the area that you did not mark. So after you cut it out, this is what you're going to have. Right, now set this aside and let's mark out the down part and cut it out. So for the down part, place your tape on from your half length where you stopped at the upper part. Right, get your hip, your waist to your hip should be at least 8 to 9 inches. Okay, then get the full length of your gown and then mark out extra 2 inch allowance to it. So this is me connecting all the lines together, making sure that it is straight. Okay, you can do that with your ruler or any straight thing that you have to be able to give you a straight line. Now for your waist and your hip, divide your measurement by 2 and add extra 2 inches, right? That's exactly what I'm doing right now. And then from your hip measurement, whatever thing you get, take away 1 inch and then get the hem of your dress, right? So with your hip curve ruler, go ahead and connect that together, making sure that you're getting the perfect hip curve for your dress. Hope you're understanding me to this point. If you've watched till now and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. Yeah. So now go ahead and notch that down part because that is where you'll be folding in when you're adding your lining to this dress. Now to cut out the back area, I want it to have a little bit of slit at the back, but that is going to be an overlapping slit, right? So for that, I had to give a space of 4 inches or 4.5 inches there, and then from that down part, I marked out 4.5 inches. Remember, I said just a little bit of slit, right? And it's going to be overlapping, and then from the waist area I'm going to mark 1.5 inch sewing zipper allowance right there, sorry, and then curve that down part because that is going to be the overlapping slit that is going to be at the back. Now to cut it out, just go ahead and cut it out like I'm showing you right now. Okay, cutting this dress is very very simple, right? So just pay full attention and follow everything that I'm telling you right now, and you will do this even with your eyes closed. Lie. Your eyes are even going to cut your dress, okay? So that is just it. Go ahead and give your nurses where necessary, and then after you're done doing that, just go ahead and set that aside. Now the final part I'm going to be cutting is that bow thing that you saw at the upper part of the dress, right? So what I did was to measure out my round sleeve, make sure that it is loose enough for me to move my hand. So don't make it tight when you're taking your round sleeve. It has to be very very loose. So for mine it was and then divide it by 4. So for mine, after dividing it by 4, it was 14 inches, okay? Because we're cutting out 4 of this right now. So I made it out 14 by 14. Do you get what I'm saying? 14 by 14 to get a perfect square. And then after that, I went ahead to connect the lines together and cut it out. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the remaining part of this. And this is the last thing you'll be cutting out for this dress, okay? And in our next video, I'm going to be showing you how to sew this step by step, every little tiny step, for you to learn how to put all this together, little tricks that that I used while sewing it, and everything that is needed. That is accordingly. I'll try my best to make it as smooth and as slow as possible so you can learn. Ask your questions if you have in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and please do what to subscribe. And until next time, stay creative and do not forget that I love you.